true. Every number tells a story just for you. Money in and money out, we can see what it's about, 'cause the books will tell the story all the way through. Each receipt's a little chapter we can read. Each transaction tells us just what we might need. From the pennies to the pounds, we can track them all around, and the books will tell the story guaranteed. When we add it, when we check it, it's just right. When we match it, when we balance, what a sight. Every page and every line keeps the business looking fine, and the books will tell the story day and night. So we keep the numbers tidy, neat and true.